Ever wondered what smart contracts are and how they work? Well, you're not alone. Smart contracts are like digital agreements, but there's a twist. They're self-executing contracts with the agreement's terms directly written into lines of code. Existing across a decentralized blockchain network, these contracts are immutable, meaning they can't be changed once they're deployed. And here's the cool part. They automatically carry out transactions once certain conditions are met. Think of smart contracts as vending machines. You input something, a specific condition is met, and you get an output. Why are smart contracts essential in today's digital world, you may ask? Well, the answer lies in their numerous benefits and the immense potential they hold. Smart contracts are essentially self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. This code controls the execution, and transactions are trackable and irreversible. Now let's delve into the advantages these digital contracts offer. Firstly, smart contracts bring speed and automation. They are executed in real time and eliminate the delays associated with traditional contract management. Just imagine, no more waiting for papers to be processed, signed, and delivered. Secondly, they ensure accuracy. The precision of code eliminates the human errors often seen in manually filled out forms. Thirdly, they significantly lower costs. By eliminating the need for intermediaries like lawyers or notaries, they reduce the overall expenditure involved in contract execution. But perhaps the most significant advantage is the trust they instill. Smart contracts are transparent and accessible to all parties involved. They reduce the risk of fraud as they are executed only when the set conditions are met, and everyone is equally informed about the contract terms and executions. So, in a world where digital transactions are becoming the norm, these contracts serve as the much-needed security blanket, ensuring all parties are treated fairly and securely. So, smart contracts not only streamline processes but also ensure transparency and trust among parties. Where can you find smart contracts in action? Well, let's dive into some real-world applications. Imagine you're taking out a loan or a mortgage. Instead of relying on a bank or broker, a smart contract could automate the process, reducing costs and speeding up transactions. In healthcare, patient records could be managed with smart contracts, ensuring data privacy and improving access for authorized healthcare providers. Think about a supply chain, where tracking goods can be a logistical nightmare. Smart contracts can streamline this, enhancing transparency and efficiency from manufacturer to consumer. And in the entertainment industry, royalties can be a contentious issue. A smart contract could automate distribution, ensuring artists are paid fairly and promptly. So you see, from finance to healthcare, supply chains to entertainment, smart contracts are not just a concept. They're in action, transforming the way we interact and transact. Indeed, smart contracts have the potential to revolutionize many sectors by automating and securing transactions and interactions. So, to wrap up, smart contracts are self-executing contracts, coded right onto the blockchain. They're efficient, offering speed, precision, and cost reduction. They build trust, too, minimizing the need for intermediaries. From finance to supply chain and beyond, their applications are vast and varied. These digital agreements are not just transforming how we do business, but they're also redefining our interactions in the digital space. Smart contracts are truly a cornerstone of the blockchain revolution, paving the way for a more transparent, efficient, and fair digital world.